Now our topic is inserting blank cells, rows and columns in MS Excel. How can we insert blank cells and column? Student, do you have any question regarding previous class? Do you? Any question regarding previous class applying formula and functions in MS Excel? Okay, so let's continue. So, so let me open my Excel sheet. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is our Excel workbook. Okay, for inserting in new rows and columns in our Excel sheet, we go to in insert, okay, insert column, or either we just have the options to insert here. Okay, cells. Okay, insert cells, rows, columns. Okay, here we have option like suppose that here is my cursor. Okay, in second row, and I want to insert a row below to suppose that let me write something. Okay, so I want to insert another row. So here is the option insert sheet row. So you can see that row is inserting above. Okay, the cursor, the inserted rows shifted the rows below, one below. Okay, if you again insert, this is inserting again and again, so it is shifting the rows. Okay, if I delete it, you can delete as well. Okay, for deleting rows you need to click on that. Here is the option for deleting it. Okay, you can see that, right? So oh, for inserting rows and columns we have option on home tab and here in cells. I believe it has been discussed earlier in previous classes. Okay, but I'm repeating it again, so you should not forget anything and do memorize the thing in better ways, right? And for inserting a column, we can insert it here. Select the column, or you can just put the, let's see how can we insert the column. Column 1, column 2, etc., like that. Okay, so I am inserting column from here. Insert column, sheet column. So you can see that the column is inserting. Okay, and same here, you can delete as well, right? So this is how we can insert the rows and columns. Okay, some other options are here. Insert a sheet. Okay, let's see how can we insert a sheet. This is option to insert a new sheet. We have three sheets are here: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and we have option to directly click on new sheet. Okay, it will automatically insert, and even though we have option to insert the sheet here as well. Let's click on this, so we can see that sheet number 4 is inserted, right? and we can insert sheet number 5 here as well, 6 here as well. That's the option we have. Just click and insert a new sheet. Any question till now, students?
No, sir.
So this is basically very easy, okay, topic, and do not require much more calculation like formulas and functions, all that thing. So very easy topic. So let's continue it till. So inserting has been done. Now our topic is to format cells. How can we format the cells or editing the cells, right? For doing that, we have option here, fonts. Just click on that, right? Home tab and go to fonts. Okay, so let's start from the first option, right? That says category, means what kind of data you want to input in the cells. Okay, in general it is taking the text for general format. Okay, general format means anything you can insert, right? Any number, text, or anything. So let's say in these cells we want to insert the numbers and with the format of two decimal points to the right side. Okay, two decimal point. Okay, and we have other options to insert the numbers with positive means positive integers. We can insert the integers only positive. Let's make it, okay, and enter some number. You can see that 0.00 automatically inserted in these cells. We do not need to write point 0 or 0.00 because we have taken the format for these cells and Excel is doing for us automatically. Okay, 120, and see how it is happening. Okay, so it is basically easy way to formatting our text automatically for us. And one more thing, okay, automatically after every, let's insert 0 and it is converting 0 into 0.00. So this is how our format has been, cells has been formatted. Now again click, change that to currency. Okay, once I click on that option, we have the different options, right? Currency, two decimal place, symbols is none. Okay, because as of now there is no symbol of currency, but we had different types of currency symbols like dollar sign, okay, Armenia, and lot more signs are here. Okay, currencies, for currencies you can see that different signs. So let's make it dollar sign and click OK. You can see that dollar sign is automatically appended before every number. Okay, every number dollar sign is inserted. So this format is basically converted into currency. Let's try to enter text. So it is not formatting, and Excel knows the we are converting the numbers in currency, right? So it is automatically appending with the dollar sign. So this is how our cellmate has been formatted. And again, try some other options. Even though we can choose our option as well, different type of time, date, counting, accounting. There is no, we can either select, some options are here as well, right? Date, time, percentage, right? Fraction, text, custom. Custom, we can do the define our own custom of entering the text. Okay, social security number, all these things. Okay, and here is the option custom, right? We can define our own format, like we are using rs. We are using rs. Okay, and then number. Let's see what happens. Just wait for a minute. Append some text, white space, and then, so this is custom formatting of our numbers. Okay, we are doing custom formatting for text in our cells. So this is how we can do the custom formatting, right? Next, any question till now, students?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is very easy. Some other options we can, fonts. Okay, sorry, alignment we have already discussed. For the alignment we have different options for the alignment: left, right, center, fill, justified, okay, and distributed contents in cells. And these alignments is for cells, it is applying in the cells. Okay, text alignment. And vertical, top, center, bottom, justified, distributed, right? Indentation, also we can increase the indentation.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर हेलो
Yes ma'am.
सर इसको स्क्रीन पर ले आइए आप थोड़ा वो लेना था
Okay,
स्क्रीनशॉट
okay ma'am,
नहीं आ
just
रही आपकी आ रही
okay, just wait for a minute. Okay, everyone, please on your videos at least once. Okay, so this is basically already been discussed topic, but we are uh, taking as per the curriculum. Okay, moving. So if you have any question again, and if you miss something, go over there on channel, okay, and watch for the videos. Okay, uh, whosoever is not subscribed for the channel, please do subscribe that, and I will send the link for channel again on your group. Okay, and this video, recorded video, will be uploaded on YouTube channel, right? So over there you can
सर,
see the, yes,
जो आप उसमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक भेजते ना, वो डाउनलोड करने के लिए लिंक जाता है।
description link not downloaded.
तब वो डिस्क्रिप्शन की लिंक से हम हो नहीं पाते, तो उसमें एरर आता है।
Okay, you can download that description on your system basically, right?
सर एक चीज पूछनी थी और
Yes, tell me.
सर जैसे हम जैसे कोई अगर एपीके डाउनलोड करते हैं तो सर उसमें 5,000 आता है, वो क्या होता है?
क्या डाउनलोड करते हो?
सर एपीके एक्सपीके फाइल होती है ना,
APJ
एपीके।
पार्सिंग एरर जो होती है, दैट इज बेसिकली ए कन्वर्जन एरर. ओके, सिस्टम इज नॉट एबल टू कन्वर्ट द फाइल in correct format, so system can display that's why error is showing. जो पार्सर
तो
होता है,
कैसे
yes,
क्या करते हैं?
अब ये डिपेंड करता है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फाइल यू आर डाउनलोडिंग. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, so again, I will send that link in your group and subscribe that channel, right? If
यस सर।
whosoever is not subscribed there, right? And your class video is there, and you can watch for those videos for previous missed class. If your colleague or friend missed the class, those who can watch the videos online, right? So let's move ahead. For copy the text, control C is the option for copying the text, and we have the option for paste. Okay, we can paste using control V, and even though we have the spatial paste as well. Okay, for spatial paste we have different types of like all. Here we are pasting all things including formula. If you are pasting formula only, click on that. Values only, click on that. Format, click on that. Okay, comments only, click on that. Validation, click on that. All using source theme, click on that. All except borders. Okay, whatever you want to paste, these are the options available under the spatial paste, right? So we can
सर
use that. Yeah.
सर स्पेस शेयर नहीं हो रही है।
Okay, it's not sharing, just wait for a minute. Okay, are you able to see now?
यस सर।
Okay, so content pasting has spatial paste as well. Like here is the right click and spatial paste, and we have different options like formulas, value, format, commands, validation, using all source, exception, themes, whatever we want to paste. Okay, we can select the source data and control C. Then what we want to paste, we can do it. If directly we use control V, that all thing, everything will be pasted. If we want partial paste or paste something different, then the source file, we have the options are here. Okay, like format, formulas, values. If we have formulas there in our text source data, and we just want to copy and put the formulas only, then we can use the option for formulas, right? If we want to paste the values only and we don't want formulas from the source data, we can select that option, right? So different options, you guys can try it on your own, and it has been earlierly discussed in previous classes, so I'm not telling it much more about. Right, any question in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so now how to create a list, how to create a list in Excel. So let's see it, how can we create a list. Okay, we are typing something, the source data. Okay, right, this is our source data. Okay, and we want to create the list using that data in a cell. So for creating that, we do the validation. Okay, data validation, let's see. Okay, here is the data option, and we have the option for data validation. Let's see, in this column, M column, we want to create a list. Click on that. As of now, any values is allowed there, so make it list. Once we click on that, okay, it is asking for the source data. Where is source data? Okay, like, and we have source data here. Okay, select that data and click OK. So now our list is created for M column. You can see that list is here. We can select the data from our list, okay, when we want. If we type something different in this cell, okay, it will not be accepted, because we had applied the data validation on this column, M column, and we want the data from the list only. Okay, so this is the part of data validation. And if we want to hide our source data, we can click that, and here we can hide our data. How can we hide? Just right click, and we have the option here to hide.
सर
Yes,
सर इसमें अगर मान लीजिए कोई गलती हुई है और सर इसको फिर सही कैसे करना है उसका पता कैसे चलेगा कि इस वर्ड गलत है
इसको अच्छा, then we have to correct in our source data. Okay, you cannot correct it from here, okay, in list. So go to our source data, जो source data है आपका, वहां जाओगे आप. Okay, unhide the data, unhide it. Once you unhide the data, you can correct the source data from here. Okay,
सर वो ऐसे भी पता चल सकता है कि कुछ इसमें एरर चेक होता है तो
it is the user only knows if data is wrong or right. And if you want to make correction in our source data, then you can only do it from here, not from here.
हफ्ते में गलत है
Let's see, I'm doing it something else. Okay, I have remove the Tuesday. Now you can see that Tuesday is removed and this data is coming in our list because we have changed our source data, right? So
सर स्पेल चेक की बात कर रहे हैं.
spell check could not be done on the list. Okay, spell check you can do it from here. That is something different. Spell check is different option. Okay, here is the review option. We have the option for spelling check. Okay, either you can press F7 or click on spelling review tab and spelling. Okay, here we don't have any suggestion for that data, and if I write something then suggestion is there. Okay, so you can check the spelling in review tab, right? Review tab is available for that.
और सर जो थर्सडे लिखा है स्पेलिंग वो भी तो गलत है.
What?
थर्सडे की स्पेलिंग.
Thursday?
यस सर. सर DHU होता है.
Okay, that is the typographical error, so you can check that. Yes, that this is how. Okay, if the spelling mistake was made, okay, that is typographical error. You can see the suggestion over here. Okay, Thursday. So you can change it using the dictionary. Okay, change this. Once you change that, it will be corrected out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we can use the spelling check. Now spelling check is correct. So now our correct option is coming up here, Thursday. Okay, spelling mistake was there and that has been identify the spelling and grammar options. So review tab is there to correct the spelling, right? Any other question?
और सर ये जो क्या लिखा है FTAKJKLA.
That is not the spelling. I have changed the source data. You are asking if I want to make the correction in our list, then only you can change the source data. You cannot make in the correction list it cannot be corrected from the here. Okay, like type something different, it cannot be changed here. Okay, right? If I want to make change in our list, we can do it from here only, right? Okay, so any other question in this?
सर इसके जो ब्लॉक्स होते हैं वो भी बड़े हो सकते हैं साइज में.
सेल में क्या?
सर सेल के बड़े हो सकते हैं साइज में.
Yes, it can be increased. Just click on that, or even you can increase the size. Okay, so, format. Okay, format the cell. Okay, here is the option. What data has been inserted here, and you can click on the format cell, right?
Yes, sir.
So after clicking on the format cell, we have the option for that. Okay, so horizontal, vertical, that's all. We have different options. Okay, every option is not part of your course, but I'm trying to cover more than your course. Okay, curriculum. So we have the option here to it's general. Okay, left intended, center, right, justified. Okay, uh, let's make it left. Okay, and increase it by 6. Center, and I'm increasing the text degree. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, now you can see that the text is changed. Okay, the appearance of text has changed, and it is by some degree. Okay, the degree we have changed, okay, applied for that, so it is showing up here. Okay, again go to the format cells. It is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree appearance of the text, so it is showing up 30 degree appearance. We can do something else as well: merge wrap text, shrink, merge the cells as well. We can merge the cells. Okay, this is options available. It is basically requirement, what requirements you have, and even though we have options for that here as well. Okay, now again, any other question? Any question, Astitwa?
No, sir.
Okay, so I believe our today's topic is almost complete, and within 2 or 3 minutes. Uh,
सर एक चीज और पूछनी है।
yes, tell me.
सर वो जो आप ऐसे पीडीएफ भेजते हैं सर, उसमें जो है वो जो उनका लिखा है तो सब पूरा नोट करना पड़ेगा कि सर बुक से करें?
क्या अगेन रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन?
सर आप ग्रुप में जो पीडीएफ भेजते हैं ना
हाँ
आप
हाँ,
कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट का, तो सर उसमें जो आप क्या पूरा वो चार साल पूरा भेजते हैं, मतलब सर्च करके, तो सर वो जो हमारे बुक में लिखा है वो नोट करें कि यही वाला नोट करें?
देखो क्वेश्चन और जो आपका होमवर्क है, वट एवर इज गिविंग टू यू, दैट इज बेसिकली
सर वॉइस क्लियर
सफिशिएंट।
नहीं आ रही है आपकी, सर म्यूट है आपका।
ओके ओके, जो जो होमवर्क आप लोगों को दिया जाता है वो आप उसमें से भी कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज योर बुक एज वेल, क्योंकि बुक में आपके में काफी होमवर्क दिया हुआ है, दैट इज
सर
प्रैक्टिकल
सेशन
बेस्ड,
है।
questions are also there. Okay, that is, you guys can work over there. Okay, जो आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, each and everything studying. Okay, and more than that, okay, उस जो बुक से एक्स्ट्रा भी हम आप लोगों को नॉलेज पर्पस के लिए बता रहे हैं, बिकॉज in your book each and everything is not giving about Excel, PowerPoint or Word. Okay, but some extra content we are also providing you, and you guys have to decide that. Okay, आप लोगों को केवल बुक से ही करना है या बुक का ही केवल करना चाहते हैं, और इधर you want to learn something extra. Okay,
सर वो नहीं,
हैं?
सर वो नहीं कह रहे हम।
तो
तो सर जो आप जो देते हैं ना पीडीएफ बना के सर, उसमें भी नोट्स होते हैं, और सर जो कंप्यूटर की बुक है उसमें भी नोट्स होते हैं, सर दोनों का एक ही करेंगे
हाँ,
सही?
वो बोथ ऑफ द नोट्स यू कैन डू दैट. ओके, दोनों नोट्स कर सकते हो, दैट विल इंक्रीज योर लर्निंग. ओके, जब आप ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करोगे और ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे, देन यू विल हैव द नॉलेज फॉर एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज. ओके, ताकि आप अच्छे से, क्या होता है जब आप स्टडी करते हो ऑनलाइन, वॉट एवर यू डू स्टडी ऑनलाइन, you get almost 10 to 20 or 30%. Okay, you and if you repeat that again and again, then only you will get 100%. Okay, at single time you will not get. Okay, ये human nature है, तो as much as you practice you will become more uh, perfect or efficient. Okay, experience in learning, so do practice much, and take the uh, audios, videos, and revise these classes and practice all that thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Any other question? Okay, so